Sidramaya and Rike Shukmar has not own the responsibility. Bharatiya Janata Party, the responsible opposition party, we have been fighting against this corrupt Congress government.
Congress government is completely insensitive, irresponsible. It is a life-taking. It is not life-giving government. It is a life-taking government. Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister are responsible for the deaths.
We are right now inside the bus where BJP leaders are getting detained because they had a protest today with regards to the RCB debacle or the stampede that happened at the RCB celebrations. With regards to that, the BJP leaders had decided to protest and right now, as you can see at the gateway, the BJP president Mr. Vijendra, R. Ashok, Chalwadi Narayan Swamy, all of them have been detained, have been brought inside the bus, and from here they will be taken to nearest police station, high grounds I suppose, from where they will be detained. They had plans to lay siege to the Chief Minister's house today, and keeping that in mind, the police have done preventive measures to make sure that they do not reach the CM's house. As soon as the bus moves, the leaders will come out and speak to us and let us know what actually happened. Right now at the gate, speaking to the media over there, you can see R. Ashok, Ashwath Narayan, Ravi Kumar, Vijendra, all of them present here.
Even after 13 days of this stampede tragedy where 11 deaths has taken place, Sidramaya and Rike Shukmar has not own the responsibility. In fact, in the High Court proceedings also, Honorable High Court has clearly said it was the responsible of the political leadership. In spite of that, they are not tender their resignation. So BJP is demanding resignation of Chief Minister Sidramaya and also Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shukmar.
They are saying the magistrate report is going on, inquiry is going on. After that,
he demanded an investigation by a sitting High Court judge. But Chief Minister is afraid. He is afraid that the fact will come out and they will be held responsible. Hence, they appointed a retired High Court judge. But Bharatiya Janata Party, we have been demanding that they should appoint a sitting High Court judge.
you are asking for their resignation. They are cross-questioning you, saying that who will resign for Ahmedabad crash, who will resign for all that happened in Kum, who will resign for the other problems at Pahalgam. So how do you respond
They
to
must
that?
have gone mad. Here in the RCB tragedy where 11 deaths have taken place, it was purely the decision was taken by none other than Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister. Because of their publicity gimmick, the celebration was organized by the government, state government itself. Hence, we are demanding. Since it was the responsibility of the Chief Minister, we are demanding the resignation.
Last question, sir. You're protesting every day. You're getting detained. Is this how it's going to continue? What is the plan next? Because you're only getting
People of Karnataka are fed up with the state government. They have lost the confidence on Sidramaya and Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shukmar. Bharatiya Janata Party, the responsible opposition party, we have been fighting against this corrupt Congress government. We are fighting this irresponsible Congress government. We have been hitting streets every week, every day. It's our duty as the main opposition party. We are representing the people of Karnataka. We have been fighting against this Congress party.
Well, as you heard, Mr. Vijendra who's saying that they are doing. I have here with me Mr. Ashwath Narayan and Mr. Ravi Kumar, sir. Both of them are here detained by the police at the Freedom Park. Sir, this has become an everyday thing, sir. You are protesting, you are getting detained, you are protesting. How do you see this development, sir?
The Congress government is completely insensitive, irresponsible, and it is completely anti-people. It is a life-taking, it is not life-giving government, it is a life-taking government. Probably if you look at how the hospitals are managed, how the health sector is managed, and with regard to the corruption, because the corruption is so rampant, even the government officers are committing suicide. Along with this, you could see there was a complete mismanagement to get the cheap publicity, how they handled the entire RCB victory. They are directly responsible for the loss of life of those 11 people and much more people probably. And many have been injured very seriously. Such irresponsible government, they have got no regrets. They are telling what mistake have we made. It is no common sense. They don't have any common sense. They don't have any sensitive. They have been completely insensitive. This is the worst government we could see in the history of Karnataka.
Sir, somewhere they have accepted and they believe that by making police officers resign, they have done accountability, they have done inquiries. They are saying 3 inquiries are going. How do you see that?
What an inquiry. See, since the matter was taken up by the Honorable High Court by the Chief Justice, initially they had ordered for the magistrate inquiry. Then later on, realizing the gravity, their heads will roll. They came to know their heads will roll. So they took action against the commissioner, deputy commissioner, the innocent who are not responsible. They said don't organize, don't conduct this victory celebration. Even then the government went ahead of the celebration. The chief minister head should have rolled, the deputy chief minister head should have rolled, and the home minister, not this police officer. They have no responsibility because they were against the celebration. Even then they went ahead. Now having 3 inquiries, you tell me, initially they started with magistrate. Once the Chief Justice took up this matter so moto, then they understood. Now they are trying to just take the innocent people who are not responsible. The action has been taken. The real action should have been against this Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister and the Home Minister.
Sir, their argument is why should they resign? Has anybody resigned for Pahalgam? Has anybody resigned for Kumbh Mela? Has anybody resigned for Ahmedabad? Has anybody ever resigned in the BJP government that they should resign?
Directly, you can't even compare with any of this. Directly, they are responsible. They are responsible for killing. This is the asking, taking the lives of the government. The government directly it has taken here. It is not indirectly as any other, because of the situation. Here, the directly, government without understanding the situation, how much capacity we can take and withstand. The KCS Stadium has got capacity of 35,000. How can it take lakhs together people? Imagine, can we invite lakhs together people when the capacity is just 30,000? Can't they see how the traffic was flowing, how the people are flowing towards the KCS Stadium, how the people are flowing towards the Vidhan Sauda? Without understanding what would be the capacity, how many people we can handle, and without all this irresponsibility, with all this irresponsibility, directly the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister are responsible for the deaths.
Well, that was BJP leader Ashwath Narayan, who was adamant to the fact that the Congress government, especially the CM, DCM, should resign and only their resignation will bring relief to the soul. Today, the BJP leaders had protested at the Freedom Park. We saw all of them gathered there. They were planning to lay siege to the Chief Minister's house, but that was stopped and the police detained them, and now they've brought them to the Upperpet police station where they will be detained. This is where all the BJP leaders have been taken, and you can see Vijendra leading the pack over there. And right now we just finished speaking to Ashwath Narayan, and he also will be heading there. So the BJP leaders have been detained here at the Freedom Park. Bringing you this is me, Mohammad Wajirullah, along with my camera person Guru Charan for News 9.